Number one, is that spelled correctly? There's usually a Y-E-N.
That's what I was thinking too, but that's what they put in the confirmation too, I think, so.
What would you, do you want something?
Yes, Judge, we wanted a bond on him, I believe, it's a 1997 warrant, so I'm a bit.
He's here if we want to bring
He is
him
in
in.
the back.
Please.
So, I did want to see, I asked him to agree on the bond, they are not because of his criminal history. He's got criminal history that dates 20 years back. I don't believe he's got anything current as of 10 years. So this is a warrant out of New York.
Yes.
30-year-old warrant.
Hold up. Did they just say the warrant is from 1997? That's almost 30 years ago. At this point, it's practically vintage. But here's the thing. Old warrants don't just disappear. If it's still active after all this time, then something major must have slipped through the cracks.
He's literally he's been on, that the warrant is truly 30 years old, really? Is that old?
1997.
Yes, Judge.
What,
Great.
from him?
No, from I believe.
Shh.
Something.
Wow. So it's a burglary, it's an assault, it's a robbery, and a possession of a weapon. Okay, I guess let's talk to him when he comes out, you know?
1997 New York, Judge.
Is that what was happening in 97? I thought New York was dangerous, but shit. Do you want to do a name change, Katie, or no?
I don't want to
For
say
the
right off
fugitive
bat.
case, Judge?
No.
It's spelled Nguyn, and there's always an E.
I don't think we would need one for the fugitive case.
Okay, I don't know.
I can look at the warrant and double check.
Good morning, Ms. Nguyen.
Morning, sir.
Mr. Nguyen, you're wanted out of the state of New York.
And there it is. The legal uh-oh moment. If this man signed a waiver during parole, he might have unknowingly agreed to extradition. That means the court's hands are tied. No bond, no exceptions. But here's the real question. Did he even understand what he was signing?
Specifically, for a burglary, an assault, a robbery, and a possession of a weapon.
He did do parole. He was out on parole about 10 years ago on these cases. So once again, we're not sure.
Wait. That may change things. If he's out on parole, then, hold on.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. But if he's out on parole, Katie, there may be a pre-signed waiver.
He completed parole.
Judge, let me check. I'm not seeing that we have a pre-signed waiver,
Have you?
but I think that, Amy, you had some contact with the jurisdiction?
Yeah, so Manhattan County reached out to us this morning. They were asking if we had the waiver or a refusal for him yet. They didn't indicate to me whether this was a probation or a parole. I can reach back out to them to see. Yeah.
That's really important.
I'll do that.
He couldn't have completed because there's a warrant. There would be no warrant if he completed parole.
In as much as.
Something must have happened, Mr. Nguyen.
Can I say something now?
But don't talk about the case in general, but just,
Can I say something?
there's a warrant for a reason.
Can I say something,
Of
please?
course.
This is where the story hits hard. Imagine being just 16, barely speaking English, and suddenly facing serious charges, alone. You hear words like robbery and assault, but do you truly grasp what's happening? Justice gets blurry when language becomes a barrier.
I live in Brooklyn. I committed crime and I lose. When I'm 16, 17, I don't speak English that much, so they send to me whatever they send to me. They send me to Rock Island and they send me to upstate. And they just say like burglary, on robbery, some kind of stuff like that. But I do not speak English that much at that time because I came United States when I'm 14. And 5 years later, I got arrested. So I basically understand a little bit, not that much. So when I go to court, they just do whatever they want to do. They don't tell me nothing. The case, they just say you got arrested, you got robbery, burglary, something like that. But I do not understand like right now. So basically, after I finished, after they tell me that, they send me Rock Island. Or Rock Island, they send me upstate. So I do 5 years. First, I do five years.
Okay.
And I see parole.
Okay.
Parole, give me 2 more years. And I finished 7 years, and I went home. And then I went home. I do first. I went to live in Long Island first, and then I still go see parole in New York, right? And then my parents live in Houston, Texas, so I asked for transfer, my paper in transfer to Houston.
Okay.
So I've complete my parole, everything, and the opening.
What year?
No. So you may have tried to transfer it. Perhaps it never transferred, and you just came down here and never
No.
finished the transfer. I don't know.
No, I'm not the people do for me. That's why I'm allowed to transfer to.
Yeah,
Maybe there's an issue with.
there has to be some kind of issue.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think we have enough information to do anything right now. What I need for them to do is reach out back to New York to figure out why the warrant was issued. Is it a parole violation?
I got parole violation one time. I went home, I work, and I got violation one time. I went to work, and they picked me up what's that? Angleton. I went back over there, and I stand in front of the judge. The judge said, "What you do? Why you don't parole?" I said, "I'm working." So he said, "So show me your work." So I.
Here's the critical legal thread. If a pre-signed waiver exists, the judge can't do much. No bond, no debate, no way out. But again, it raises the same haunting question. Was this man ever properly informed, or was he simply lost in a system too complex to understand?
Have paper. I showed him. So
He's still on parole.
No. Can I say something?
Yeah. Go ahead.
He sent me to immigration. Immigration. They're coming out. I still do parole. I still finish. I have the letter opening.
Let's do this. Let's do
We need to
this.
find out more.
Yeah.
I'd like to roll it.
But no, that's too sorry. That's too sorry.
No, I get you. We just need them to.
So let's do this.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to roll it to tomorrow because it's already nearly 12 o'clock. I want to give them time to look into it, to see what New York has to say. A lot of times when you get on parole, you sign a document that's a pre-signed waiver, meaning that you already agree to waive extradition if this happens. We need to know if that has happened and if you have signed that, because if you have, I cannot give you a bond. Even if I wanted to give you a bond, I cannot give you one because there's a waiver that's already been signed.
What does that mean, waiver, sir?
I'll let Ms. Oko explain that to you in back because I got a lot of people waiting.
Yes, sir.
But regardless, I'm not ready to do anything today.
Yes, sir.
I need more information from the prosecutors.
Can I say last thing before I go?
Sure.
What I do is, what happened is I finished parole, everything. I get the letter from Albany, say I'm complete to Albany State in New York. That all the paper go to Albany.
But something must have happened.
Something, we need to figure it out.
Yes, I got the letter, everything. They send me letter, everything.
And Judge, I would just add that, I mean, at least from what I'm seeing when I run him, which I'm a little hesitant, but like there's like multiple states with like criminal histories that's like very extensive, that's more than just New York. And so we would also have to try to like.
Okay, I guess just take your time, find out, and then we'll regroup tomorrow.
Get all his 20 years back. There's nothing more.
I get it, but I just want to know if there's a pre-signed waiver. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, thanks, sir.
Okay, of course, Mr. Wayne. Please. All right, thank you, Amy. Call him.
I approach Judge.
Of course.